Hi guys, this is the sort of final version of the FCD 5.2.2. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do with this box, is to actually get to a final point where I don't have to keep improving it anymore, so I can actually then produce it for people that are wanting this box. But what I will say about this box, apart from one thing that I want to put onto the version eventually, is an adjustable sweep, which I haven't got around to putting on this yet. It has got other features though that the Mark IV hasn't got, and it's a lovely sounding box. The Mark IV is pretty clear, but the FM sweep in this one is absolutely silent until you get the sound clips, as you'll see in a moment or two, come through. I'll just show you the box really quickly. You can see the sort of size of it there, about 6-7 inches by 5 inches across. It's all handmade wood, stained and wax polished by myself. It's got a display in it there that shows you the sweep. On the front here, it's got the sweep button, just a simple press button to keep it, once you press it, it sweeps forever. On the FM waveband, doesn't stop. As you'll see in the display, that's the on-off button there. You see it light up for the actual amplifier and radio in there as well. It's got a speaker in there. It's on this one, on the amplifier, it's got a bass and treble adjustment as well, so that's quite good. I've dropped the reverb in it until I can find a better power supply for it. I'll get too much interference from the reverb. So, I mean, you can have that as an extra unit, I suppose, to it in a way, and I may do that in the future. But for now, it's clear enough as it is without that, and it's the information that comes through that's important. You see, it's all nicely finished. On this side there, you've just got a clasp, I'll show you inside it in a moment, and the FCD logo. On the top, got a carrying handle that opens up, so you can carry this around with you to all your ghost hunting, paranormal events. And it's also got an external adjustable aerial, which is multi-directional on the back. You can see it's got nearly a metre length there in aerial. Can't show you all on the video, but it also will go in any direction as well, out, forwards, backwards. Okay, so that works really well. It's battery driven. It works on 5 volts, 4.5 to 5 volts. It'll work you'll see inside when I show you in a moment how the batteries work the unit. But you can also work it from, if you're at home, save the batteries with a standard USB leading plug into any charger or your computer or whatever on the back there. Okay, so we'll take a quick look inside it. Just opens like any other box does on hinges, and there you go. It's got 2 compartments. I'll get to the right side here. 2 compartments of 2 sets of 4.5 volts of 3 AA batteries that supply. I've had to separate them because the sweep and the actual amplifier work on 2 different circuits. To combine them would take too much power out of the one set of batteries. Okay, and you'd be forever running out really quickly. So I've separated them. I know it's more batteries initially put in, 6 of them, but believe you me, it lasts for a lot longer with that. That's the input for the USB at the back there, and that's just the aerial there as well. On this side, it says pointing to the opposite side. You've got all the innards of the radio, the FM radio, the amplifier, and the speaker there. Okay, that's all in there. Simple, really. This has also got a sound to light system built into it, so it works from any sounds that it picks up from the speaker. It'll light up the little blue LED there that you can see on the front of the fascia. Okay, and that comes on. It's quite sensitive, comes on all of the time. All right, so let's give this little beauty a go. It's quite simple to operate. I'll just have to hold it in my hand to do it. So we pull the aerial up. Okay, fully extended there, and then we switch down the amplifier first. The light comes on to show you that it's on. We put the volume about 3/4 of the way up, and a bit of bass and a bit of treble, and then simply press that. You'll see the display. It's hard to show you on the video. The display is working. You can just see it there. Can you see it there? Difficult with the light in here. You can see the figures going round there. And as I say, it's so clear when it comes through. Hello, is there anybody there? Hello? Just see if we can get anything coming through. Did you hear that? It's so good. I mean, Helen tried it yesterday morning, and her grandfather came through straight away with information that only he'd know and she'd know. Hello, is there anybody around that wants to use the box? Please come through. Hello, is there anyone around that wants to use the box, please?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. What would you like to tell us? Like I say, you can move the aerial around to pick up. Oh, that's better. You can actually see it then. When I did that, yeah, you see it sweeping there along now. Okay, and it keeps stopping on each stronger station. Depending where you live around or where I am, don't get many, you know, strong signals, but it's getting a few. That's better, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Hello, is anyone going to come through?
Troop.
I really love this box. I don't know what it is about it. It just feels right. I'm hoping to better, take it on the investigation myself. But I do want to produce it for other people. I want to get the yeah, there. Thank you. Is there anyone that likes to have a message? Any names? Any names coming through? Like I say, it's a lovely little box. I can't keep saying that enough. The Mark IV is a standard. People are buying that all the time. They love it. But there's just something about this. I don't know what it is. When the energy of the sound comes through, I can feel the manipulation of the sounds. They're really good. I was going to do a live stream with this on Facebook today, but unfortunately I've been so busy with bills and things that I've had to sort of leave it. Hopefully you can see from this, I will keep updating videos on this because my next thing is I'm going to try and improve, try and put the adjustable sweep to it. I can find a way to do it. But I really love it. I really love it. We're not getting a lot through at the moment. Hello, is there anybody there?
Kathy.
Kathy? You got anything to say, Kathy? Come through and talk to us, Kathy. Want to talk to us, Kathy? You're around.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Well, thank you, Kathy, but we're going to move on now because I've got to keep this video fairly short for YouTube. But thank you very much to everybody that was around that wanted to use the box, and to you guys out there that are watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you see that this has got some potential. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.